Why you do that? Huh? Why you do that?
Take a picture. Take a picture of my baby.
I can't hear you.
Take a picture of my baby.
Take a picture of your baby?
Yeah.
Why?
Come.
Cause why? Your mama ain't said nothing. You heard today's my mama said.
Don't be lying on me, girl.
My mom said take a picture of my baby.
Huh?
My brother said take a picture.
Your mama said what?
I want to take a picture.
You be lying, girl.
What's her name?
Baby.
That's her name?
Yeah.
What's her name?
A baby Jen.
I can't hear you.
Just a baby.
Bitch.
What's your baby's name?
Be-
Huh?
Anna, be like, shut up, ma. Tell your mom get the phone.
Very much for ruining my video.
Tell again.
That's for the fun.
Be like, ma, get out the phone.
I was recording my baby playing with his baby.
Tell again. Scream at her, yell at her.
That's for the phone.
I swear to God, before I started recording her, told her to call you, but then she started doing something. I gotta get that. See? Oh, hell no.
Take a picture of my baby.
Huh?
Take a picture of my baby.
Take a picture of your baby. Okay, I will in a second, okay?
Charles, I will not stop living and breathing art just because you need to relax. I'm here with you.
You love your baby?
You